Hi everyone, this is Gerald from Gerald Talks. Today we are going to see the new version of SIYB Gateway of International Labour Organizations. Are you excited? I am also excited. I am so pleased to share with you my experience on the new SIYB Gateway. Please travel with me. I will show you today the important parts. There is not big change, but it was very friendly, and the new version is very easy one, and I believe you will enjoy it. So I am one of the SIYB master trainer. Currently I am president of SIYB Association of Sri Lanka. So I educated this SIYB gateway now, the SIYB master trainers and SIYB trainers in Sri Lanka. So this is, I believe this is one of the opportunity to show you other SIYB master trainers and SIYB trainers in globally. So thank you so much for watching. So now we will start. This is the new version homepage. You can see just they changed the the homepage. So of course you should have the username and password to log in. So now I just log in the page, so you should sometime wait based on the internet facility. Yeah, this is their home page. So they are talking about start and improve your business and the training package, GYB, SYB, IYB and EYB. So you want to go for the details if you want. So this is the home page, very beautiful and attractive home page. So there is the important tabs. I want to introduce you the members, partner organization, training, reports, documents, administrative task. I will show you what is this, and your profile. So you can change some language. There's some language option are here. So I want to show you first the profile quickly. So this is the profile. It is of course bring your name. So it is now display my name is here. So you can tag your profile here. So first you have to work on your profile. So this is my profile details. So I will show you how you edit your profile. So first, if you want, you can change your password, and of course you can edit your profile. That's the things you have to do if you are not in the SIYB gateway. After you receive the username and password from SIYB gateway, so then you can start update your profile first. So this is the edit button. You can click your edit button, and then you can pop in your details, your personal details, address, other information. So I don't want to spend more time on this because this is a very simple basic steps. So then I am clicking profile again. I want to show you another tab, important tabs. Change password. Normally you will receive the system generate password, so you can change your password later by clicking this button. So important one is add certification. So this is the second important tab. So just you click it. So here you can register your training details. For example, your first TOT, your refreshment workshop, competency refresher training. So whatever training you received, and you should register these details here. So just I will show you one example here. So this is a trainee name, of course my name is here, and training details. As a master trainer, now is showing me training of master trainers and TOT. So I will click TOT because as a master trainer I am eligible to provide the TOT. Certification type, okay, there is a final certificate and certificate of attendance. So what do you mean the final certificate? Final certificates is after you attend the TOT, then after you provide, after you follow the SIYB implementation guideline to become a licensed trainer, then you have to follow all the procedure. For example, you have to conduct one of the TOT. After TOT, you have to follow the SIYB training cycles and master training cycles, and you have to provide the technical support for your trainers, and you have to introduce the SIYB gateway, and they have to register in the gateway, and you had to prepare the final case study. So then you will receive your final certificate by system, by the gateway. Certificate of attendance is very simple. So after you participate this TOT, then you can put the certificate of attendance. And subtitle, yes, if you want to get the first training, the 10 days training, usually that's we call initial training. Then there are another type of training, competency workshop, refresher trainings, but I just for the example I will put initial training. Packages, yes, we use normally GYV, SYB, IYV together. So depend on your country and the program you can select, but I am selecting together 3 packages. Then here the important one, so you have to select who is your trainer. So for example, my case, Mr. Gemunu. So if you are types few characters of his name, then you will find his name. So here is Mr. Vijay Sena. So then I will click his name. So if you have more trainers, you can select, but maximum 5. So then this should be the month of training. So you can put, for example, I just put the example August, and I put my TOT master trainers TOT 2024 14, sorry. Then if you submitted, the one notification goes to your master trainer who selected, then he has to approve, he or she has to approve your training record. After they approved, I will show you where it is come. So again, the profile, yeah, it takes some time. Yeah, profile. Then if you go down, this is your certificates part, that mean your trainings details. So here, for example, C is confirmed by Mr. Gemunu Vijay. So this is my training details. It is my T as a master trainers, master trainings TOT, and the refreshments and the competency workshop, so which is I am attended. So if you want to show your certificate, so for example, final certificate which I received in September 2016. So just you click this button, show certificate, and you will receive very beautiful certificates. In the certificate they talk the logos and the names and your reference number. This is LKA Sri Lanka. I'm 24 and globally I think 296. So this is your reference number, license number maybe. So this is the ILO global coordinator signed the certificate. So it is internationally recognized certificate. So you can use professionally. So I always recommend you should register in the SIYB gateway and get these final certificates. So this is important tab I show you. So please keep your all records before you start the entry, and this is very easy to enter the data. So you should register your TOT first, and if you have any refreshment training, so whatever training you received, you can register those details, and you can receive 2 certificates. One is the attendance and certificates, other one is the final certificates. I think you got it. Second one is the additional education. So add education, sorry, not additional, add certification. So just click hit the button. So if you want to show your certificate, description, for example, what certificate, I just put MBA, then submit. So it is details, so you can put your university details, so those things. So this is also very simple. If you want to create PDF of your profile, just click the button, then you will get one of the new window and you can save it. That is your details which you entered in the system. So that is one thing. Another features, they have the very beautiful one. Yes, now we finished the profile one. So this is time you need to spend after you log in the SIYB gateway as your fresher. So please keep your records, please keep all the records in the profiles, and if you want to put your photo as well, so then it's very nice profile, you can keep it, and you can enter your CV as well. So this is a very, if it is one of the database, SIYB is one of the database, online database, which is maintaining by SIYB global team of ILO. So they will definitely travel your profiles and get some information from your profile as well. So please keep it as update one. All right, so I am going to another important one, training. So okay, now you are delivering trainings, so you want to add some details. Okay, training is, for example, TOE, training of entrepreneurs, GYV, SYV, IYV, or you are delivering TOT as a master trainer. So this is the place to add those details. So you don't have the facilities to have the profile. The profile is, please understand that that is your details. This is training which you deliver. For example, you go add button. Okay, so in the add button there are all the details are here. So for example, select, so I just select Sri Lanka. For example, city, okay, I will select Colombo. CL, sorry, my keyboard is issue, sorry. And training type, so I will put TOT as a master trainer. So if you are a SIYB trainer, you can put training of entrepreneurs. So some master trainers, developers, so they will put, if you are put deliver the training of master trainers, so they can select training of the master trainers. So for me, I am selecting TOT. Okay, so sub training types, initial training. So I assume this is the 10 days first training. Okay, what package used? GYV, SYB, IYV, and start date is a TOT, right? So 2012. I just finished one of the TOT, so I will start that date. And again, you had to put finish date, so should be 10 days should be covered. So I just put 14. Okay, durations, normally 8 hours per day, so that be 10 days. So you can put for example 80 hours, that is up to you. So you can put 6 hours per day as well. So partner organization, so for me SIYB Association Sri Lanka, so I need to find where it is. So please find your partner organization here. So SIYB, yeah, SIYB Sri Lanka. Okay, this is my one. So who is my training team members? For example, who join with you to deliver this training? For example, I will show you my colleague, R.S. Sudan. So he is my core trainer, master trainer. So I will select him. So how many women are trained? So now you need to keep the SIYB activity report with you. All the details are there. Okay, you know what is the SIYB activity report. So this should be get from your SIYB entry card. So from entry card, you will apply those details in the SIYB activity report. So just bring your SIYB activity report, and you just put, I will put, okay, 12 women's in the TOT, and men I put, okay, 9, together 21. So percentage of trainers from towns with population below 1,000. So that mean village or what, they want to get the details. So I just put one person come from that village. Okay, so how many people below 35? So those details the ILO collecting. So I just put 12 of them under 35. So how much total cost in USD? So you should calculate the training cost in your local currency and convert into the USD according the current USD exchange rate. So I just put here, okay, 1500 USD, for example. All right, so any contribution by participants, so sometime participant contribute for the manuals, manuals, or any other cost. So if it not there, just put 0. And sponsorship, yes, I received 500 USD sponsorship from one of the NGO. And of course finally sorry for that. And the evaluation score sheet, so is depend on the, I mean, based on your score sheet. So you go through your score sheet and get the details. So I will put very good. And comments, here you can add whatever comments. So normally I put, okay, I applied, I applied SIYB implementation guideline. Okay, like this, whatever it is, whatever points you can. Okay, participants were very active, master trainers, senior master trainers provide the support. So like this, whatever it is, you can put the comments. Okay, any improvement comments also you can highlight here. So some manuals are not updated, so you should be upgraded, or whatever it is. Then if you are submitted, then it will add in your training history. Okay, so as a master trainers, of course you have to provide the TOT as one of the eligibility to get the license. And the SIYB trainers, basically you had to provide 3 trainings for you get your license. I mean, become a SIYB license for according to the SIYB Association Sri Lanka. We are following it. So depend on the some association. So, but basic standard is SIYB trainer has to complete at least 3 training: GYB, SYB, IYB. So you can register those details here. For example, here again Sri Lanka, Colombo. Here I will make it training of entrepreneurs. Here it is initial training. Um, so it is not applicable. You have to select not applicable because TOT is you have to select not applicable. There is no option. So data pack you can use first GYB. I am assume that, then start date, the particular date, GYB 3 days. So then I will make it. It is completed, started 3 and I finished 5th. Okay, started 3 and finished 5th. It's obvious 3 days. And counting hours, so I assume 8 hours, so 8 into 3 days, 24 hours. Of course, our partner organization is SIYB Sri Lanka, I mean Association of Sri Lanka. Here your colleague, so if you are colleague in the system, so you can put in, you can select him. So otherwise your master trainer sometime he visit and check your training competency, so you can select your master trainers with his knowledge. So you can select here your training colleague. And again the movement details, men trainers, how many trainers, the basic same details you had to update for the particular GYV, again SYV, again IYV. Then if you are submitted, then your particular master trainers, he will go through those details and he will approve. After he approve it, you are eligible to get the final certificates. As I mean, final certificate means you have completed the basic requirement. So this is the second important part. So you should register your training one by one. So recently I provide this support for 50 SIYB trainers in Sri Lanka. I observed that they are make some mistakes. They registered all their trainings in the profile. I mean, under profile they put add certification entry. That is the wrong thing. So you have to enter your training details under trainings, not under your profile. In this area you have to add what training you received only. Okay, I think it's clear now. So this is your second thing. So third one, I want to show you what is in the SIYB gateway. So third one is the reports. Reports, you can get your country progress report. Select first region. So I take example. So South Asia, because Sri Lanka in South Asia. Country again Sri Lanka. I want to get 2021 report. Okay. So then search. So you can get your report, I mean, for example, India, Bangladesh, or any African countries, whatever country. So here, see, this is now our council, our association now working on that, because we have a lot of trainers, lot of master trainers, but it is not updated, so, but we are working on that. So here, see, the candidate trainers, master trainers detail, candidate trainers, certified trainers, entrepreneurs, master trainers, partner organizations. So all the details are here. So you can get the basic picture of the country report. So here, how many entrepreneurs receive the training, master trainers, how many master trainers provide the trainings, all the details are here. Okay, so this is like a country report. So you can get your country report here as well. And another important thing is documentation. So this is the greatest thing in the SIYB gateway. All the basic informations are here. All right. So you can get all the soft copies. For example, I will show you something here. Document library, library structure. You know how to use the buttons. So yeah, it is the arrow is here. So you can go like one by one. See, entrepreneur manuals. So different language manuals are here. So I am going now English. Okay, so if you want to click English, you have to find arrows, then click English. See, costing, people and productivity, SIYB manual, all the manuals are here, IYB. So you can download it. For example, I will show you how to download IYB costing. So just click it, go, the details are here, just click the download. Then you will get the online one. lot of people doesn't know this. So you can get the online copy, the official copy from this SIYB gateway. So I will show you other things. So raining materials, okay, raining materials, again click this arrow, you can go if you want English one, and again all the training manuals are here, GYB, SYB, IYB training, right? It's all this there, okay. So again, MNE forms, this should be, we have, you know, we have more than 10 MNE manuals are there. So partner organization level, they categorize in different level. So forms for master trainers and entrepreneur level. So all the details are here. So definitely you will really enjoy this one. And ESYB manual. So this is the one I want to show you. So a lot of people doesn't know this one. So ILO introduced the ESYB. It is a very interesting one because the world is now moving to the digitalized business, digital marketing. So ILO also already introduced the ESYB manual. So I think as SIYB Association Sri Lanka, we really enjoyed this manual during the COVID time with ILO country office Sri Lanka. So I want to show you the English one. So just go through this guideline. So they mention all the links of the each manuals. So you just click it. You should have very good internet facilities. Then you will enjoy the all the manuals. So for example, links to EYB, just click it and download this PDF and go through all the details are there, okay. So my advice is, I just finished 3 courses in online one, so they very friendly and easy, and you know they covered all the update one. Well, now you finished the ESYV, and I want to show you the new one. Recently ILO introduced the digitalize your business. This is a new manual, so just click it, and this is the digitalize your manual business. So you can download this manual. I think there is no download option, so I want to check with it, but this is the new manual which is introduced recently. I am so happy because as a digital marketing student, so I really enjoy this digitalize your business webinar. So I am waiting for the details and the manuals to learn more on this, okay. So this is where you get it. Again, I will show you entrepreneur manuals and finally digitalize your business, okay. This is a new manual. So digitalize your business is very interesting one, I believe. So I am also waiting to learn and apply it. All right, this is the library. So based on your interest, you can travel further and you can find a lot of information here. So this is the most important part in the SIYB gateway. And user guidelines, those details are here. So you can go the users guidelines in your language, okay. So this is very important one if you want to SIYB trainers guide, okay, English one. So you can get it that one as well. Well, the last one, before last one, so members and partner organizations. So yeah, I will go the members one. Just this is a very important one. A members one, this is a page of the members. So you can add your trainers here, or because this is the way to enter the SIYB gateway. For example, if you want to register the new one, so just click the add button, and of course you can put his detail. Basically they're asking first question, trainer or casual trainer. I assume this trainer, and first name, and of course last name, and you had to select their sex details, and country, of course Sri Lanka. Oh, yes, go Sri Lanka. All right, Sri Lanka. And very important one, email, valid email address. If field is required, this email is already registered because I already registered. You had to put your email address, okay. Then address, if you have time, so you can put your address detail, but this one very important. So you have to select independent. If you are independent, yes. If you are not independent, if you are attached with one of the association, please select no. For our case is SIYB Association Sri Lanka, okay. This is our partner organization. So depend on your case. Then after you submit, so one of the email goes to him, I mean particular trainer or particular master trainer. So he will get the username and password. So this is the way you can add the new people in the SIYB gateway. So please be open and don't hide anything. So I observed something, some master trainers, they don't want to show the SIYB gateway to others, but it is a very important one. All the SIYB trainers should know this. So please welcome all the trainers in the gateway and add them, and with all the details, and they will get the username and password. Then you have to guide them how to add the profile and the training details as I mentioned in the video. Okay, this is the members. If you are partner organization, so you have to come here and you have to add your partner organization, again the add button, and put all the required details. All right, so I don't want to spend your time because it's a very easy one, so just submit. Then your name, I mean your partner organization name, should be registered with the SIYB gateway. All right, the final one, administrative task. If you are master trainers, or if you have some authorities in the SIYB gateway, it automatically comes. For example, approval, so certificate approval. So for example, this is my case. So my trainers, so they mistakenly put a lot of time, so but already I finished my job. So here their names are here because they already, when they registered in the new first time, so they put 2-3 times. So that's why these details are here. So this is the, as a master trainers, you should visit this section regularly, and you have to see their notifications, and you have to travel. For example, I want to show you one thing. So Mr. Jagapalan Sadishan, so he sent the request. So I want to show him his profile. So his profile, and he put a lot of final certificate, I told you. So I already approved his final certificates. All others are mistakes one. So this is the case. So you can travel one by one, and you had to check he finished all the basic eligibility criterias, and only you had to approve. So registration pending, it is nothing is here. So this is certification approval is very important for the master trainers. Okay, I believe you really enjoy this video. It's just the demonstrations. Maybe I made some mistakes, so please bear with me based on my experience after reading the SIYB implementation guideline and gateway implementation guideline. So I just produced this video to help to others, to for our SIYB family. So thank you so much for watching. So please share this video with other SIYB trainers, and definitely they will get the benefit of this. All the best. I will show you in SIYB gateway soon. Thank you. Bye.